Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Barnes. I hope that you warmed up with your ABC chart before we get started on our word study lesson today. I have my paper, my marker, and scissors handy. So let's begin. The first word we're going to start with has 3 letters. First letter is G. Everybody say G. G. The second letter is E. Everybody say E. E. And the last letter is the letter T. Everybody say T. T. Get. Let's spell it together. Activate that pointing power and point right with me. G-E-T. Get. One more time. G-E-T. Get. And one more time. G-E-T. Get. I'm going to play the game, What's Missing? What letter's missing? If you said E, you're right. It's G-E-T, get. Let's do that one more time. What letter's missing? If you said G, you are correct. G-E-T spells get. Now we're going to play that game called Mix It, Fix It. I'm just going to mix my letters up like this. And now I have to fix it. First letter is G, then E and T. Get. Take your tracing finger and trace the letters with me. We're going to start with our letter G. We're going to start with that magic C, little line up, down, and give it a little curve. E, we're going to hit that ball and run the bases. I learned that trick from Mrs. Griesmer. It's a little line over, curve up and around, but much more fun to do. Hit the ball and run the bases. The next letter is T. Big line down, little line across. Get. Now when I write those words, I'm going to take my piece of paper and, whoops, let me flip that around so it sticks here for you. And I'm going to write that with you now. Magic C. Little line up and down, give it a curve. E, little line across, up and around, and a big line down, little line across, get. Now the reason I wanted you to have your scissors was, I thought that you could go ahead and cut these letters yourself at home. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut right after that letter G. If you don't have scissors at home, you can also tear. Just tear very carefully right down between each letter like this. And now you have the 3 letters in get, G-E-T, to play the Mix It, Fix It game, to put it together and take one letter away and say what's missing to yourself, or have somebody do that for you at home. Enjoy playing your games with the word get. We're going to be working on the story, My Flowers. Actually, The Flowers. The Flowers. And in each page, there's going to be a sight word that we're going to work on. So today we worked on the word get. There's that word get right there, G-E-T, get. If you were here, I would have you finger frame and put your fingers around that word. Let's read the sentence together. But before we do, we always have to check that picture. Here we go. Activate pointing power and put it right under that word, go. Go get the oh, I saw in the pictures flowers, flowers. The word is flowers. Let's read it one more time. Go get the flowers. Thank you for joining me today, and happy reading, boys and girls.